Hi, Ken Evans here to talk to you about BarCamp Tampa Bay, which is scheduled for Saturday, October 5th at Keiser University. If you're involved in the tech industry anywhere in Central Florida, you probably already know about BarCamp and what a great event this is for tech professionals and enthusiasts of any type. It is unlike any other tech conference or class that you have ever attended. It is a day-long event of peer-to-peer education and collaboration where we crowdsource the agenda from the people that show up that morning. So our topics are as diverse as our attendees. That means every possible technology discipline or interest is welcomed and encouraged at BarCamp. Our attendance is typically in excess of 700 to 800 people, all there to discover cool tech, develop new skills, and maybe even collaborate on the next big thing. You will learn from seasoned professionals in software development, cybersecurity, robotics, AI, machine learning, 3D printing, Internet of Things, and any number of tech-related topics that are there to inform and engage the audience. The event is free to attend, and anyone can speak as long as you're coming to share and collaborate on topics that are of interest for people in the tech industry or in the startup ecosystem. No sales pitches or cheesy marketing, none of the usual trade show or conference distractions, just grassroots sharing of interesting topics on all things tech. So mark your calendars for October 5th and save the date to make sure that you don't miss the 12th annual BarCamp Tampa Bay, an event for geeks by geeks, where we get to experience the best and sometimes hidden talent right here in our region. In anticipation of this year's BarCamp, I would like to challenge all past attendees, speakers, sponsors, and even volunteers to post a short video on what they love about BarCamp. This being our 12th year, I'm sure there are a lot of people out there that have something to say. I'll start out with my favorite thing about BarCamp, which is the sign-up board. It is the cornerstone of your BarCamp experience. It's where all the speakers who have come to sign up to speak grab a Post-it note, fill out their topic, put down their name, we put it up on the board, and that is what drives the agenda and the engagement for the rest of the day. There's no fancy printed agendas, there are no keynotes, no marketing spin or fluff, just grassroots content presented by your peers, people in our community that are happy to share their knowledge and passion for tech. Don't overthink this video, just tell us what keeps you coming back year after year, other than maybe the donuts and the free t-shirts. So make your video, post it to your favorite social media channel, make sure you hashtag it with hashtag BCTB for BarCamp Tampa Bay, so we can find it and retweet it to the masses. Again, thanks for being a supporter of BarCamp Tampa Bay. We look forward to seeing you on October 5th. For more information about this year's event, follow us on Twitter at BarCamp Tampa, or go to the website barcamptampabay.org, where you can register to attend, you can register to volunteer, and you can also find out more information about sponsoring the event and help us put on this great event. So see you on October 5th at BarCamp.